everyone. Here you see the holidays homework done by students of class 8G in the subject mathematics. In task 1, students were given an opportunity to explore polyhedrons. See how beautifully the children have written the definition of polyhedrons, prisms and pyramids, along with the visual representation of them. Euler's formula associated with the polyhedrons. Children explored the relationship between faces, vertices and edges and verified the formula F plus V is equal to E plus 2. Such kind of work empowers the children with incredible creativity. Now you see how beautifully the comparison has been shown. These are the nets of prisms, triangular base and square base. So triangular prism and square prism, regular and irregular. Similarly, comparison of nets of pyramids. After that, children created paper nets of prisms and pyramids, and then they created by folding the 3D objects. See how beautifully the triangular prism and the square prism has been created. These are the regular ones and these are the irregular ones. Similarly, you see pyramids, triangular pyramid and a square pyramid. These are the irregular ones. After that, verification of Euler's formula, calculating number of faces, vertices and edges, and verifying F plus V is equal to E plus 2. Each and every child of the class submitted the work on the Google Classroom in their own way. Taking the picture is a skill. Top view, side view, front view. Children presented their work beautifully. See this one? Different views. I really appreciate the parents who have helped the children in submitting their work online. We are also evolving as teachers in this environment, and partnership with parents indeed is fruitful. Every child has put in their effort in bringing up the best. Amazing. See the neatness? Choice of colors, doing the work, away from screen. We are using screen and we are using technology for sharing and learning. See this one. Wow. Thank you for watching.